Good morning, everyone. Am I audible, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, all of you, please post your attendance in the chat box quickly. So today we will continue with the previous session. So I think in the last lecture we had started with the numericals of doubly reinforced section. So today we will continue that and try to finish this topic. Okay, so in the first module, we have a lot of topics. So the first topic was singly reinforced beams. The second topic is doubly reinforced, design of doubly reinforced beams. And after this, there is shear design also, design of the beam for shear reinforcement. And then you also have design of columns. So basically in working stress method, you have singly reinforced, doubly, shear and column. 4 topics are there. Okay, so it's a huge module. So basically the entire subject has been covered in one module. So it is a very big module. So it will take some time to cover this. But once we cover this module, then it will be easy for you to understand limit state method, because the majority of the syllabus consists of limit state method, correct? So, but once you have done this properly, so that's the reason I'm going it slowly. So once we have done with working stress method perfectly, then it will be very easy for you to study limit state method also.
सर WSM का वेटेज कितना है?
WSM का वेटेज 22-25% कंसिडर करो. तो लास्ट टाइम जो मैंने क्वेश्चन पेपर शेयर किया था, तो उसमें आई थिंक अराउंड 18 to 20 मार्क्स यू कैन कंसिडर वर्किंग स्ट्रेस मेथड. ठीक है. So all
सर
of you keep.
इंडस्ट्री में जो डिजाइन्स होते हैं सॉफ्टवेयर पे ईटैब या फिर स्टैट प्रो पे, तो वो LSM के कोडिंग पे वर्क करता है WSM पे?
LSM से ही होता है. तो जो भी नॉर्मल डिज़ाइन
ओके
जो
सर.
होता है इंडस्ट्री में, सो मेजरली सब LSM से ही डिज़ाइन होता है. द ओनली
मतलब
डिफरेंस.
WSM का यूज नहीं है ज्यादा?
हाँ, WSM का यूज़ एक चीज़ के लिए है. WSM इज़ यूज टू डिज़ाइन लीक प्रूफ स्ट्रक्चर्स. ठीक है. लीक प्रूफ स्ट्रक्चर्स क्या होते हैं? वाटर रिटेनिंग स्ट्रक्चर्स.
ओके सर, थैंक यू
हाँ,
सर.
जैसे टैंक है, वाटर टैंक वगैरह, तो ये तुमको वर्किंग स्ट्रेस मेथड से डिज़ाइन करना पड़ेगा. तो उसका वही यूज़ है, लिमिटेड यूज़ है. बाकी हर जगह तुम लिमिट स्टेट मेथड ही यूज़ करोगे. अंडरस्टूड?
ओके सर, थैंक यू सर.
Okay. So all of you keep your notebook, Kelsey, ready. So we are going to start with the numericals straight away without wasting much time. So we have already started with doubly reinforced section. So we have seen the equations used, and we have also seen the first type, that is to find out the moment of resistance of the section. So now we will go to the next problem. So all of you take down the next question. आई होप द वॉइस इज क्लियर ना. वॉइस में कुछ डिस्टर्बेंस तो नहीं है?
राइट सर, क्लियर है.
ओके,
क्लियर एकदम.
ठीक है. So take down the question. A reinforced concrete beam 230 by 600 mm overall. A reinforced concrete beam 230 by 600 mm overall is reinforced with 4 bars of 20 mm diameter. Is reinforced with 4 bars of 20 mm diameter on the tension side and 2 bars of 25 mm diameter and 2 bars of 25 mm diameter on the compression side. calculate the safe UDL. Calculate the safe UDL the beam can carry. Calculate the safe UDL the beam can carry on a simply supported span of 6 meters. On a simply supported span of 6 meters, use M20 and Fe415. Use M20 and Fe415. Effective cover is equal to 40. Effective cover is 40 mm. So that is the question. So I hope everyone has understood the question. So first, let us write the given data. So I think even this question is the same type which we have done yesterday. So can you do it? So start solving. Okay, so B is 230 mm and effective depth is given or overall?
Overall.
Okay, overall is 600. So now tell me what is the AST? I think AST is 4 bars of 20 mm diameter. So 4 bars of 20 mm इसका area बताओ मुझे. And compressive steel is given as
1256.6.
yes 1256.63. Okay, so if you actually solve enough problems, so these even the areas you will be able to remember. Okay, 4 Bs is nothing but 1256. So now 225, 2 bars of 25 dia. And then it is given as M20 and Fe415. And I think span is given as 6 meter.
ASC sir 981.75.
981.75
mm square.
Okay. Effective cover कितना है?
40.
Okay. So now we have to find out the safe UDL. Okay. So safe UDL means we have to find out the load, okay, excluding the self weight. So that is safe UDL. So let us start with the solution. So this is the given data. Okay, so when it is given the grade of concrete and steel, that means you know which values, you know the permissible values. Can you give me the permissible value? Sigma CBC कितना हो जाएगा?
7 Newton per millimeter.
7 Newton per mm square. Sigma
230.
is 230. Yes. So now quickly give me the values of critical neutral axis and the actual neutral axis, and everyone will solve and write the answer in the chat box. I don't want only a couple of students to solve and write. I want the answers from most of the students. So the equation you already know, sigma CBC upon sigma ST by m is equal to XC upon D minus XC. Okay, so I will just write the equation. I will not write all the values.
So M will be 13.33.
Yes. So M is 280 upon 3 into 7. So that will be 13.33. Okay. So now give me the value of critical neutral axis. So M is not given in the question. So you have to find out the value of M. So generally they will give you the grade of steel and concrete. Okay. So these values you should know.
Sir, D will be 600 minus 40.
Yes, effective depth will be correct. 600 minus effective curve. So small d also find out, that is 600 minus 40. So that will be 560 mm. Okay. So what is the value of critical neutral axis? Anyone?
161.62.
One, right?
161.6.
Yes, 161.62. Okay. So we got the value of the critical neutral axis. Yes, all of you getting the same value. That's good.
So small d में
Now give me the value of actual neutral axis. Now the second step is to find the actual neutral axis x. Okay, so you know the equation. It is given by b into x by 2 plus 1.5 m minus 1 into ASC into x minus d dash is equal to m into AST into d minus x. Just substitute the values and give me the value of actual neutral axis. Yes, anyone got the value of actual neutral axis? Yes. I think now the video is clear. You have to be a bit quick. Okay, so this is just the beginning of the design problems. So after this, you will find even lengthy problems than this. Yes, I hope I'm audible to everyone.
Sir,
Yes, all of you write your answer in the chat box, please. So the value of the actual neutral axis x. So Rida got the value of 180.37.
180.37.
Yes. Yes, all of you mute yourself. We will use the chat box. Okay. So you can just write in the chat box whatever answers you're getting. So we got the value of actual neutral axis. Now what is the next step? The next step is we will find out the MR. Okay, so the next step is to find MR. So for that, first we have to find out the stress. So here first you will have to write whether it is an under reinforced or an over reinforced section. Okay, so compare X. So X is greater than XC. Okay, so X is greater than XC. So hence it is an over reinforced section. correct? So over reinforced section, which implies what? This implies that the member will fail due to overstress in concrete. Member will fail due to overstress in concrete. So therefore, the value of sigma CBC is known. So sigma CBC is nothing but 7. That is the permissible or the limit value. Correct? So now you got the value of sigma CBC. Now to find out the MR. So what is unknown? Sigma CBC is known. So sigma dash CBC is the only unknown. So find out sigma dash CBC and then find out the value of MR. So the next step is to find MR. Okay, so here sigma CBC is known, which is 7. So therefore sigma dash CBC is given by sigma CBC into x minus d dash upon x. Okay, so sigma CBC is 7, x is 180.37 minus d dash. ठीक है, d dash कितना है?
40.
40. So effective cover is given to you. So that means that is the effective cover on both the sides. Okay. Just give me the value of this.
5.44.
Yes, 5.44. Others just confirm getting the same value. So now you can find out the MR. So MR is given by
5.44.
C1. Okay. So MR is given by C1 into lever arm plus C2 into lever arm. So that is B into X into sigma CVC by 2 into D minus X by 3 plus C2 is nothing but 1.5 M minus 1 into ASC into sigma dash CVC into D minus D dash. Okay, so everything is known to you. So B is nothing but 230. I'll just write for you. X is the actual neutral axis, 180.37. Sigma CBC is which we have considered here, this value. Okay, so that is 7 by 2. And D, effective D is 560 minus X by 3 plus 1.5 M minus 1. 1.5 M is 13.33 minus 1. ASC कितना है? ASC is I think
981.75.
980. Okay, and sigma dash CBC we just found out 5.44 and into D minus D dash. So D है 560 minus D dash है 40. So this is the equation. So now give me the value of MR. Anyone got the value?
$125.33.
Okay. 125.33. So you got the value of MR. Can you find out the value of the safe UDL now? Find it. The last step is to find safe UDL. So we have been given the span of the beam. This W we have to find out. Span
Sir, by
is,
equating it with moment, na?
Right, equating MR to M, you will get the value. So here bending moment M is given by WL square by 8, which is nothing but into 6 square by 8. So now equating MR to M. Okay, so MR is 125.33 is equal to W into 6 square by 8. So which implies W. Yes, anyone? 27.87,
27.85.
correct. Okay, so you got the value of W. So now it is asked the safe UDL. So remember, when it is asked as a safe UDL, so you'll find out first the self weight of the beam. So find out the self weight of the beam. It is given by B into D into density, volume into density. Okay, so 230 by 600 into 25. So how much is this? Okay, so take it in meters, 0.23 into 0.6 into 25. Self weight कितना आ रहा है? 3.45. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir. 3 1.
therefore, safe UDL is total 27.87 minus 3.45, and this is excluding the self weight. So safe UDL
24.4.
excluding, yes, 24.4. So this is your safe UDL. So I think now you have understood how to solve the problem based on MR to find out the MR of a section. Okay. So with this, we have completed the first type, and I think we have only 5 minutes remaining now. Okay. So in the next session, we will start with the second type, that is to find out the stresses in the section. So before that, just take down the question. This you will do it on your own. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. So this is the last question on MR. A reinforced concrete beam 450 by 750 mm. A reinforced concrete beam 450 by 750 mm is reinforced with 6 bars of 25 mm dia on the tension side. Is reinforced with 6 bars of 25 mm diameter on the tension side and 4 bars of 20 mm diameter on the compression side. Consider clear cover equal to 30 mm. Consider clear cover equal to 30 mm. Calculate its moment of resistance. Calculate its moment of resistance. Okay. Next, also calculate balanced MR. Also calculate balanced MR. Bracket में if compression reinforcement is kept same. Also calculate balanced MR if compression reinforcement is kept same. Use M25 and Fe415. Use M25 and Fe415. So this is the question. So I think you can do this on your own. So the only difference is first you have to find out the MR, and then in the next part of the question, it is also asked to find out the balanced MR. Okay, so balanced MR कैसे find out करते हैं? When X is equal to XC, that equation becomes your balanced MR. So considering X is equal to XC, you have to find out the MR.